to the park. I love this ride. This is grass. How this is grass, Mom? It's like a real life fire truck. Ooh.
Mhm.
Oh, it even has 3 slides and an even warm.
It's warm.
I'm gonna go on the slide.
Okay.
I saw the bird here. Hey, bird! Oh, it's hard to wait.
Which one you gonna go down?
All of these are warm.
Okay.
But I'm scared, actually. Mommy, you need to catch me.
Yeah, I can catch you. Put my keys down. Okay.
Oh.
Woo! You good?
Yeah. What else we got here? I'm going. I'm going. It's a tunnel there.
Mhm.
I've never seen that tunnel before. It's an obstacle course.
Yeah, it's like an obstacle course.
And I'll have another slide. Let's go on another slide.
Okay.
Because there's that other slide.
You like the slides?
It's so many slides here. Mommy, it's a house.
Oh yeah, I see it.
Whoa. But you can have a pool here. That's crazy.
Yeah, that is.
It's like a party over here.
Mhm.
It's like an animal party.
Whee!
Oh, that was Look at these.
Huh? Yeah, it's like a tennis court.
I love tennis. I'm eating.
Yeah, eating.
Don't you stay by it. The squirrel looks like it's trying to look at me.
The squirrel's eating a nut. You see it?
We should. Oh, that's probably Tweet Tweet.
Think it's Tweet Tweet?
Yeah, because Tweet Tweet is super big now.
You're doing really good.
Let's go even further.
You can go further?
Then I know how to stop myself.
You do? Ooh, big girl. Well, you can stand on it.
You stand on it?
Mm-hmm. You spin.
Okay.
I'm holding it.
Oh.
Go ahead. See?
Oh.
I know, it's gonna wiggle. You okay?
I don't like wiggles. Oh,
You have fun?
yeah, I want to get out. Alright. Oh.
Okay, I'll let you down. Ooh, snap.
My hands. Oh my gosh, my hands so hurt. See your hands? Your hands get up this. That means you like.
Feel like you got a little workout in?
Ooh, my muscles feels good after.
This way?
What's this?
You can. That's another way to get up there. You hold on to these. Your foot sits on these, and your hands.
Wait, what's that?
Hmm?
How would you do that? I'm not good at this.
Don't mess with me, Kelly.
I won't.
So use your feet and your hands. So you can hold on to these too.
Okay. But through there. Good job, Mommy.
That's how you do it.
Okay.
Okay.
Wait, this is scary.
Hold on to this. There you go. Your foot gonna go right here.
Mom, I'm already scared. I'm already.
Okay, we don't have to do it. You wanna go just go up the stairs?
Yeah, I need help doing it now.
Okay. Gotta go through the tunnel.
Ooh, shocked me.
Shocked you. All right, you ready? You gotta go through the tunnel to get to the slide. You ready?
Wow! That was fun, actually.
Good. Wanna drink some more water before you go back and play?
I'm gonna go on the climbing thingies.
Trying it?
I'm working on it. Oh my gosh, it's shaking. Get down by
Good
myself.
job.
Okay, squat down, get out. Ah, I squat down and get out. Woo! Boy. And then you see this? It won't wiggle. All you gotta do is just climb on each of them.
Okay.
Really easy.
Can you do it?
Yep, I tried. Gotta get down. Ooh, this is high.
You're doing it.
I know. I like this one. No, lovely. Wow, I'm tied up. I like the park.
What's your favorite part about the park?
The climbing things. I'm leaving the park. Have fun at the park. Now I'm eating Chick-fil-A. Can't wait to eat. It's gonna taste so good. Show you what I got. I got a toy. And I got fruits. And I got pork. And I got chicken nuggets. Tastes like mandarin orange.
Because that's what you're eating.
Thanks for watching Team Kylie. Please like, comment, and hit that bell.